Imagine two recommender systems. Each gives you 10 suggestions. Each gets 5 of them right. By that count, they look equally good, but look closer. The first puts every relevant pick at the very top of the list. The second buries them at the bottom. Same 5 out of 10. And yet, only one of these systems is actually useful. The standard answer to how good is this list is precision at k. You take the top k recommendations and ask what fraction of them are relevant. Simple enough. If we pick k equal to 5, the first system gets a perfect score and the second one gets 0. So precision at k captures the gap as long as we pick the right k, but at k equal to 10, both systems land at 0.5. The metric stops seeing the order inside the window. We need something sharper. Average precision fixes this. We walk through the ranking and, every time we hit a relevant item, we compute precision up to that point. Then we average those numbers. A relevant item at position 1 contributes a full 1. A relevant item at position 10 contributes much less, because by then we've already scrolled past a lot of noise. The earlier the hits, the higher the average. One number, and it cares about order. So far, we've talked about a single user. In practice, a recommender serves many. Mean average precision is exactly what it sounds like. Compute average precision for each user and average those. One number for the whole system, weighted by how well it ranks for everyone, not just one person. But real relevance isn't usually binary. Songs you love, songs you tolerate, songs you skip, those are different grades, not just yes or no. Discounted cumulative gain works on graded ratings. Each item contributes its gain, divided by the logarithm of its position. The log is what creates the discount. Position 1 is worth the full gain, position 10 is worth less than a third. Then we normalize by the best possible ordering, the one where the highest grades sit at the top. That ratio is NDCG, and it lives between 0 and 1. 1 means the ranking is perfect. Anything less means the system left some quality on the table. These three metrics are not interchangeable. Precision at k asks how much of the top is relevant. Mean average precision asks whether relevant items landed near the top. NDCG asks whether the most relevant items landed at the top. Different questions, different answers. Pick the one your data can answer honestly.